you guys doing? I'm Andy, my Soldier Trades.
I'm Sara.
And today, what did we trade, Sara?
CGIX.
CGIX. So today was an awesome day for us. 430% of our daily profit target. Our losses are basically obliterated at this point from last week. As you know, last week was like... We had two pretty big losing days, down 2.8% last week, up 3.8% this week, though. So we totally cleared that out, thankfully. And as she said, we traded CGIX. Got news?
Yeah, the news was that it retained H.C. Wainwright to explore strategic alternatives.
Yeah, and basically... Some of this news seemed to have been around like a couple weeks ago or something.
Yeah,
for
a
CGIX.
couple weeks ago I heard basically the same news. So
I saw CGIX pre-market before it even started to run, and when it did start moving, I just honestly thought this is low volume and this is just a stock that's moving up trying to get me to chase, and I didn't want to do it.
Yeah.
Turns out that if I would have just grabbed and held and whatever, it'd been fine, but. That's not how I trade, anyways, guys. I grab the pieces, the parts that I know that I can trade and get out successfully, and I take my profits and move on as fast as I can to the next trade.
Yep.
And oftentimes the next trade is the same stock. This stock I traded it several times. If you check out my Twitter today with profits, you'll see that I traded CGIX quite a few times today. And then we traded FUV. FUV was total. I'm up. They see me. I'm down.
Oh yeah.
I mean, yeah, it was up. You saw it, and
pump and dump.
I actually grabbed some decent size a couple times on its way up. I got lucky. So yeah, it was okay for me, and we made some pretty decent profit. It took us up quite a bit. I mean, we cleared over 100% of our daily profit target in FUV alone.
Right.
But I'm just glad we got out of the way because that thing dumped.
Yeah,
man.
it sure did.
And CGIX, the same thing was. You know, I told you it was seemed like it was on fluff at the beginning. It was just not real substantial foundation there for the price action of the way it was trading. Mm-hmm. And then it did eventually dump down a couple times today. Yeah. And the thing is also is every time I tried to get out, they tried to bump down like big. This stock was given upper shadows for the whole first bear flag portion. Basically, it wasn't really wanting to let people out with profit.
We
they
watched.
Don't just...
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say we were watching the huge dump, and it was just like whoa, because when it went over like what 750, it was just boom down. It's
the
like,
funny thing is we just grabbed.
We're not in that.
We just grabbed profit not even a minute before that.
Yeah, and it was like wow, I'm glad we're out. That's why you just gotta get in and out.
Honestly, that was like the skin of your teeth sort of situation. Like we were in there, and it had taken us into profit pretty quick. And as soon as we sold, it was only a couple seconds later, and the thing just dumped. Right. So I mean, that's the thing. We're not taking on a lease here. We're not trying to stick around these things. We know that we're buying an asset, and we're trying to clear it for a profit, obviously. But we also know that these things are usually going back where they came from.
Definitely going back where they came from.
And check out the blog post today, guys. I put up a blog post letting you guys know basically who I am. Where I started, and just a lot about me and us, I guess. And we'll do more on Sara. Have to have her do her own blog post. She's like, yeah, right. No, we'll get her to do a blog post, guys. We'll get her to do it. Thanks for joining us. I'm Andy with My Soldiers Trades,
and I'm Sara.
Come check us
out. Hi, I'm Sara with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.